Hi, and welcome to the Magewell booth here at InfoComm 2026. This is Magewell's newest announcement, and it's the Director Plus all-in-one production and presentation solution. This product combines multi-input switching, graphics, instant replay, streaming, recording, and monitoring all in one portable device. Now, this is the third model in the Director family, and it ushers in a whole new generation of the Director capabilities, including full 4K production, recording, and streaming, more inputs and outputs, more processing power for advanced layering, as well as enhanced networking, including a built-in 5G modem and 2.5 gigabit per second Ethernet. Now, on top of all of that, this features all of the same powerful capabilities that people have come to love in the Director family. Things like telestration, so you can draw on the video in real time, whether that's for sports or whether that's for highlighting things in a corporate presentation like a town hall meeting. It has the ability to bring in all sorts of different input formats, both AV and IP. So we have 4 HDMI inputs, USB webcam inputs, and up to 10 IP inputs, including NDI, NDI-HX, SRT, RTMP, mobile phone cameras, pre-recorded video clips, live web pages, and more. You can do all sorts of sophisticated graphics capabilities, including scoreboards, and all sorts of other advanced features, including keying. For more information about the entire Director family, please visit the Magewell website at magewell.com.